Hi, I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to the Daily Meditation for Peace. And this meditation is part of our Relational Peace series, and it is blessing difficult relationships. So whenever you're ready, go to a quiet, sacred space, get away from all distractions, and let's get started. Let's take a slow, deep breath in. And on the exhale, allow your shoulders and your neck and your muscles to relax. And let's take another deep breath in. And on the exhale, shake it out. Let everything just relax as we tap into the energy of peace. So let's take a deep breath in, going to soul center, tapping into the love that is there. And on the exhale, allow that love to flow throughout your body, out into the world around you. Now let's take a deep breath in, tapping into the light, mingling with the love. And on the exhale, see the love and the light illuminating your mind and your body and your soul and the world around you. And taking one more really deep breath, tapping into the love, into the light in that soul center, tapping into the presence of the peace, the stillness. And on the exhale, feel that loving light and the calming peace as it flows through you, preparing you for this meditation and out into the world. Find your normal breath, just focusing on your breath, breathing in and out. And if you've been holding pain around a relationship, let this breath be a doorway, not to fix it, but to let it go. Breathe in calm, breathe out tension. Let your entire body and your nervous system settle into the sacred stillness. Not every relationship is easy. Some leave echoes of hurt, confusion, or distance. And yet every connection holds the potential for spiritual growth. When peace can't come through the person, let it come through you. You don't have to agree, you don't have to re-engage, but you can bless. You could send light. You can choose peace over bitterness. And affirm, I bless what I cannot control. I choose peace over pain. And again, I bless what I cannot control. I choose peace over pain. Now imagine this person standing at a distance. There's no dialogue, no drama, just presence. Between you, a soft golden light begins to shine. This light, as you breathe, continues to expand. And you don't have to say anything. You just let the light grow until it surrounds both of you. It's a field of blessing, a space of release. Let the light do what words never could. May the light you send out return to you multiplied, cleansing your heart, clearing your path, restoring your peace. You are free to release. You are free to heal. And allow yourself to bring that peace and that understanding back with you, filling up your heart and your soul with what you've just learned, with a deeper understanding of love and inclusion. That it is a tool that you can use over and over again for blessing and healing. Allow yourself to take a deep breath in and exhale. And allow yourself to start to move parts of your body, becoming more present of the here and the now. And again affirming, I bless what I cannot control. I choose peace over pain. I bless what I cannot control. I choose peace over pain. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Amen and amen. And allow yourself to become present at this point in time now. And so it is. Namaste.
May the peace you've sent out return to you, multiplied, softened, and whole. Thank you for joining us for Blessing Difficult Relationships, part of our Relational Peace series in the Daily Meditation for Peace collection. This moment you took to breathe, to bless, and to let go is a sacred act of healing. Remember, I bless what I cannot control. I choose peace over pain. Carry this peace into your day. Use it often. Let it restore what feels broken. To explore more meditations, affirmations, and spiritual resources, visit us anytime at spirituallycentered.org. Until next time, breathe deeply and let it be well with your soul. Copyright 2025, Reverend Sharon Renae. Produced by Rick Lowe.